Okay, so let us talk about comments in Python. Yeah? Comments. They are just a block of text here that is not executed here by the computer. Yeah? So there are many and there are many use cases of comments here, but the most one is that they are used to explain code when the basic code itself isn't clear. You know, there are some cases when your code is not understandable by most of other people, other fellow developers. So it's a good practice to use comments to explain what your code does. And there are many types of, there are three types here, not many, there are many, but there are majorly three types of comments in Python. The first one is the single line comment here. There is a single line comment, there is the inline comment, and there is the multi-line comments here. The single line comments, they are comments that are used that are used to explain the code using only one line here. One line, like here. This is a comment. This is a single line comment. This one as you are seeing and they are used and they are being used. They are made to be a comment. This line is made to be a comment using this hashtag symbol, this one and when I remove it as you are seeing I'm in a Python file. It is called line.py. How can you create your file? Do like this. Go here, right here, and then you press on new there, and then you write new dot py, the file name and the extension there, and then you press enter. So the file has opened here. Here's a new file, a new Python file here. And when I try, let us use the single line comment. This is just a single line comment. So single line comment. It is a single line comment and when I try to write the same text without putting the hashtag symbol, you are going to see what VS Code, because it is the text editor I'm using what VS Code will produce for us. So let us do like this. Single. Are you seeing? Even VS Code has started generating the errors, as you are seeing that code, that keyword doesn't exist here. This means that this keyword doesn't exist. Are you seeing? Let me hover over it. Unexpected indentation. I see single is not defined here, so that is an error. It is an error because it is not defined here. And when I continue single line comment, I see there are more errors that are being generated. And when I put the hashtag, it means that this line of code will not be executed. Just tell the computer that no, the interpreter, because before executing this code we have to first interpret it here. So as you know, Python is an interpreted language. So this tells this hashtag tells the interpreter that no, don't do nothing on this line. Do nothing, just skip it. So even the compiler skips it here, as we're seeing here. So it doesn't have any meaning. And when we try to execute it like this, we try to click the run button. Done. I see here, done, exited with code equals to 0 in 0.4 seconds. So there's nothing that has been done here. Okay, there is nothing here. So let us see. We are going to see the inline comments here. The inline comments. Let us test the inline comments here. So inline comments, let us bring this word here, this keyword that pass here, there, pass here. It is a keyword in Python here. This path here, this pass here, it is a keyword in Python here. And when I add this hashtag, if I want to add more to explain about this pass here, the meaning, I can bring a comment here on this same line here, and I say this is a pass keyword, like that, pass keyword, like that, there. And even this all the first one, this one will be interpreted here, but this one that is in front of this hashtag, this one, this one or this one and beyond will not be interpreted. Okay, so I think you are now aware of that. Yeah? So let us look at the multi-line comments. Yeah? Multi-line comments, they are comments that you can write on multiple lines. You know, it is very tiresome to use all these single line comments like here. When you try to, you want to write as many lines as you can. Like this is sorry about my typing errors. This is the first line, and you go to the next line and you say this is the second line. You know, it is very tiresome to add this hashtag symbol. It is very tiresome. So the better way is using the multi-line comments. And how do we use them? The multi-line comments, we can use the single quote. There are 3 like this one. They must be 6, and our multi-line, our text should be in the middle of those 6 single quote. Yeah? Like this one. Yeah? Those are 2 plus another 4. Yeah? Those are the 6. I see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are 6, and our quote should be in between those 2, like this one. We can write here, this is the first line, like there. This is the first line. This is the second line, and we continue. This is the third line, like that. We can continue documenting our code like that using the multi-line comment. And the interpreter will not try to interpret this one or this one, because it is also a comment. Yeah? Okay, and they are referred to as these multi-line comments. They are also referred to as the dog strings. Yeah? Okay, even we can use even the double quotes, like this one. Yeah? Those are the single double quote. We add another ones there, like there. So even those ones, we can even use those ones as we want, like that. Like that. Even we can use that, and if we try to run our code, even I think we are not generating any errors there. I think so. I hope you know that you have grasped also that content. So we shall see more examples in the future. Just keep on, just continue. Okay, so okay, we shall see more examples. Yeah.